So hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I'm a legal intern in External Company. So in today's video I'm going to talk about a very important landmark case which comes under the ambit of international investment arbitration. So the name of the case is SGS versus Pakistan and it is a 2003 case. So SGS versus Pakistan was an arbitration case conducted under the International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes, which is the ICSID. So SGS, a Swiss inspection, verification, testing and certification company, had a contract with Pakistan's government to provide custom clearance services. Pakistan enacted a law that abolished SGS exclusive rights to provide such services, opening it up to the competition. So a dispute arose between SGS and Pakistan regarding the impact of the new law on SGS contractual rights, leading to SGS to initiate arbitration proceedings under the ICSID Convention. So the main issues included allegations of breach of contract, violation of fair and equitable treatment, which is the FET treatment as we all know, and as well as expropriation. The arbitration tribunal consisted of 3 arbitrators, in which one of the arbitrators was appointed by each of the party and the third was chosen by the agreement. The tribunal ruled in favor of SGS, finding that Pakistan had breached its obligation under the Switzerland-Pakistan Bilateral Investment Treaty. The tribunal concluded that Pakistan's law effectively terminated SGS exclusive rights amounting to breach of contract. In this case, it was also held that Pakistan's action breached its obligation to provide FET treatment to SGS, which is again fair and equitable treatment. The tribunal rejected SGS claims of expropriation but rewarded compensation to SGS for the breach of contract and violation of fair and equitable treatment. The specific amount of compensation awarded to SGS was not publicly disclosed. So now I'm just going to summarize this case. So SGS versus Pakistan involved a dispute between SGS and Pakistan regarding the impact of a new law on SGS contractual rights. So in this case, a dispute between SGS and Pakistan regarding the impact on the new law of SGS contractual rights involved. The tribunal ruled in favor of SGS, finding that Pakistan had breached its obligation under the Bilateral Investment Treaty, leading to an award of compensation to the investor. So if you guys have any doubt regarding this case, so you can just ping me in the comment box and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much guys and have a nice day.